So you just got these bolts here to get your intercooler, and then the bolt up here. Then you have where your intake comes in. You got to take that band off and then disconnect this, and the intercooler will come off, and I'll take you to that point. Okay, I was able to get that out, and now the next step is, now the turbo is more accessible, and you're just going to take all these bolts off. So you have these two top ones, you're going to have one down here and then two on the bottom, and then you're going to have one right down in there. That's a bracket, so you're going to have one down there to take off, and then you're going to have these bolts. So I'm going to take those off, and then I'm going to show you what underneath you need to remove. All right, I got all those off. Another thing that probably wouldn't be a bad idea is to disconnect the O2 sensor. It's right here. It's connected right there. It's mine's yellow lead on it. One thing I didn't mention, I don't have the heat cover on my turbo, but I did put, so this is kind of what the cover is, and so you're just gonna have little 2 10mm, like right there and right there, holder on the top. I need to get a new one, but anyways, you're gonna take that, and then that will expose everything. Should be pretty self-explanatory. And once you get to that point, then you'll take those bolts off that I suggested, disconnect your O2 sensor, and then I will show you underneath. Okay, when you're up underneath the car, so there's my mass airflow sensor. I disconnected it. So you got the downpipe coming down. You come down here, then you connect to that, and that's where I'm going to disconnect right there. So I'll get to that point, and I'll show you with the catalytic converter out and the downpipe off, and we'll go to that point, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, I got it out, but I wanted to show you, I totally forgot about that hook right there. So it's gonna have a bolt on it as well, and it's a hook. So it is kind of a pain in the butt to get off. So if you're fighting with it that it's a pain in the ass, just keep working at it. You'll bend it out of the way. Had some casualties. The bolt busted on both ends of the bolts back there with the spring, and that's okay because they're actually pretty cheap. They sell them in pairs. Like if you bust them, like don't worry about it. It's like they're super cheap. And anyways, so I got it off, and that's what we're looking at. So you got a catalytic converter here, and I have another one. I have the other one right there. She's got two cats. Can't really see in there. But anyways, I have, so here's the downpipe. You do have these two bolts that you can split it, but mine are completely gone. I'm gonna have to cut them off. I'm actually getting a new downpipe. That's why I wanted to pull this off. But anyways, so just wanted to show you that. If you have any questions, please ask. And if you like this video and you would like to see more, like this video and subscribe, and stay tuned.